And welcome back to my site's tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about embedding a calendar into your site. This is a way that you can kind of make a running checklist for your students on what was due each day or what they're working on each day. So when I go over to my site, you're going to see that here's my calendar. It's just at the bottom of my homepage, and it says ELA with Mrs. V virtual style, and my students are able to click through. So when they click read aloud and they click here, it says click here for read aloud. It brings them right to the read aloud for that day, and so on and so forth. They can do that for the reading ones and the writing one as well. So I'm going to show you how to create this, and I'm going to insert it into, I've got a quadrillion of my sites open here. One more. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to insert it into my tutorial site here. So the first thing you're going to want to do over on your calendar, so you want to go into your waffle and go into your calendar. And before, I had all of these different calendars open because each of your classrooms creates different calendars, and I only want to make sure that I'm using this one, this ELA with Mrs. V. So to get that, I just clicked plus and I did create new calendar, and I named it ELA with Mrs. V virtual style. Now when I go in here, I know that on Monday, I want my students to be, on Monday, they're going to be doing in reading, quests can be internal and external. So I'm going to go ahead and make them an assignment here for reading. Quests can be internal and external, and it's going to be for June 1st. It's going to be all day, and it's with the ELA with Mrs. V. Now, to get them the link for that, I'm just going to go ahead and view my published site again, because this is where I want them to go. So I'm going to go ahead and select my address from the address bar, and I'm going to hit Command C or Control C, whatever your copy is, and I'm going to insert a link. So I did Command V, and I'm just going to say click here for your assignments. Click OK. And then I'm going to click Save. Okay, I could do that again for writing. And writing, they're working on the revision stations all day. I'm going to go back over to my published site, go into writing, copy again, and paste. Click here to go to your assignment. And I'm going to save. And I can do it one more time for read aloud, chapter 15. I go to read aloud, copy, insert a link, and paste. Say all day and save. So you can see that those are all here now. So how do you get this into your site? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and in your insert side over here, there's an option for calendar. You're going to click calendar and you're going to choose the calendar you want to insert. So again, mine is the ELA with Mrs. V virtual style. So I just double clicked it, and there it is, and I have it on the agenda view for my students. So let me go ahead and publish this. And then if we go to our published site, now I was linking to my other site, right? So when they click this, it would bring them right over here to Monday, June 1st. So I hope that helps. I think it's a great way for your students to kind of see what they have coming up, especially if you are planning out like a week in advance. But it's a great way to keep your students organized and allow them to have as much success as they can during this weird remote learning, especially if it continues in the fall and you're going to be starting this with a whole new group of students. Again, please do not hesitate to reach out. I do have a new email address. It is adventuresinfifthandlife@gmail.com. And you can also fill out the form that is on my tutorial page. Hope that helped. See you next time.